Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons. So today I am here to teach you a very useful structure. Okay, let's try to say who wants to help me, who wants to cook for me, who wants to go there, who wants to learn Kurdish. Okay, this structure starts with ki, who, and of course you will conjugate ki as third person singular. So ki dukhwaze tatatat, who wants to. So ki dukhwaze ali min bike, who wants to help me. Ki dukhwaze hare dukane, who wants to go to store. Ki dukhwaze ware merdine, who wants to come to Merdin. Ki dukhwaze ve portuke bokhine, who wants to read this book. Ki dukhwaze hini kurdi bbe, who wants to learn Kurdish. Thank you so much. Learn this structure and use this structure, okay? بخاطر paka paka.